Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy A35. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. Then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now. Now click open permissions and here click on AI assistant. Now we can go back and click start. And as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, you can drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.